Oh, I needed a brew. I've just washed the van, believe it or not, at the side of the road in the pouring rain. I'm Smithy, by the way. And believe it or not,
these are the top results.
Oh, what am I doing? That's the best time to wash your van, when it's raining, because you only have to put the soap suds on and then let it go off. You know, the van washer, whatever you call it. That's the first time I've been in my camera bag for a while. I've got the diesel heater on, by the way. I don't know if you can see it in the corner there going away, but it's keeping me nice and warm anyway. Got myself a coffee. You haven't seen me for a while, and I haven't been in my camera bag for a while. I thought, is it charged? I didn't even know if it was charged up or not. This is the GoPro 360 I'm on, so you know it's easier. It's just push and go. So yeah, I've not made a video for a while. I needed a break because sadly my wife's mum passed away, and we've been looking after Brenda for 4 or 5 years. And the good thing is, you know, as sad as it was, she still passed away like my mother in her own home, so we can hold our heads up high about doing that. Robert, I'd like to say thank you to Robert, because when I was very low, Robert came to talk. He came in the van and talked to me, and you've been in a similar situation, Robert, as I was at the time, so I really appreciate that, buddy. And you know who you are. I won't go any further, but hey, thank you, mate. I needed it. As I say, I took a break from making videos. I just didn't want to. I didn't want to do it out of respect for Brenda, but I didn't want to do it because I wasn't all there either. The only thing I could function every day to do was go to work. That was it. That's all I could manage to do, and mess about on the odd TikTok video, which was like an old YouTube video and little snippets of it. I couldn't function. So, but like my mother always said, you've got to pull your socks up and get on with it. So now that's what we've done, and I had a good chat with the guy behind me. He's the one that gave me the idea of washing my van in the rain. Anyway, I think we were talking about an hour yesterday. Obviously it's chucking it down now, but he's gone full time in his van. And he knew me. He walked out from me, he said, Smithy. I went, are you? And he watched my videos, so fair play to you, buddy. But yeah, we had a good chat yesterday, didn't we? And he's gone full time in his van now. He's worked enough to save, have a year off and go and play in his van. And he's talking about Morocco and all sorts, so, and it's a nice van he's got. I'm going to tell you the name of it then. It's like a Heimer. It's not a Heimer, but it's like a Heimer. It's a beautiful van. Anyway, so yeah, so things have changed now, obviously, because before we were looking after 2 people, we're not doing that anymore. So we're just sort of going to work and plodding on, paying the bills as you do. So you are going to start seeing us going out, which you haven't seen that for a long time. I think we went to York, didn't we, in Scotland a bit, but since we've had the van, we've been caring for 2 people, so that's what we've done. I would rather have cared for them 2 people than go out in this van, let me tell you, and I'm quite proud that me and Sue did it, so I'll take my hat off to you, Sue. We both did it, and you a lot more than me, because you have to put up with a lot as well, including putting up with me, to be fair. But yeah, I just thought I'd come out, wash the van, make a video, and Sue's busy decorating. And this van, I'm not going to show you around because I have a bad habit, me, of going to charity shops, right? And I always see something, I say, oh, I might use that in the future. And all this stuff ended up, because we were staying at Brenda's all the time, it ended up at Brenda's. And when we attempted the bungalow, there's that much, Sue calls it crap, I call it stuff that I could use, but there was that much of it, it's unbelievable. My van was packed, I had to put it all over the place. So anyway, I'm slowly getting my van back to how it was. Oh, I tell you what though, I've still got a gas leak. I think it's where the connector is in there. This is a perishable rubber thing or whatever, so I think it's that. After Brenda passed away, the van battery went. I had to get a new van battery. I had the diesel heater fitted, both leisure batteries packed up, so I had to get 2 new leisure batteries. As a consequence, my step doesn't work, and also the 12 volt socket, I'll show you. The 12 volt socket in here doesn't work. So if I plug something in with a light on, that's not working. So I've checked the fuses. I've been in the book, it says fuse number 3, 10 amp, I've changed it. There must be some fuses somewhere else. So I've asked my mate Carl that fitted the diesel heater if he'll just have a look for me and see if he can find another fuse somewhere, because I don't want to start messing about with, you know, I'll do something wrong, you know, and something else will go. So that's what he mentioned, the guy behind, I can't remember your name, mate, but anyway, he said he's going to get solar for his roof, but I was lucky that mine already came with the solar. Although I've got everything working apart from my step and that 12 volt socket for the telly. There is a way around it, I can get an extension and run it to the front, but that's running off the van, but you know, the diesel battery then, but anyway. Oh, that's beautiful and warm, is that? I'll just turn it down a bit, it's a bit... What you do, put it on 23. What you do with these diesel heaters, Alex will tell you. Alex, I can't pronounce your channel, Alex. It's TT Alex. Anyway, you run it on full blast for 5 minutes, and then turn it down to a nice, comfortable, whatever you feel comfortable with. And then when you're going to turn it off, turn it back up to full blast for 5 minutes, then turn it off, and it just gets rid of all that soot and everything else in there. So that's how you run a diesel heater. But it's been an absolute godsend for us, this diesel heater. When we left Brenda's, me and Sue, I stayed in the van. I just wasn't with it, so I'm not ashamed to tell you that either. I'm a human being, you know. Hey. People came to talk to me, Robert came to talk to me, my niece came to talk to me, other people came, you know, and eventually I snapped out of it, but everything just brought back losing my mother, and it just, you know, I couldn't cope, to be honest. But anyway, we're here now, we're sorting it out, we're doing it, we're getting back on our feet. But it's been, the last 12 months has been absolutely traumatic. To say that this COVID was bad, this what we've gone through the last 12 months has been horrendous. I wouldn't wish it on anybody. But it's like you say, you've got to pull your socks up and get on with it. And I've got everything going for me. I've got the gold panning I can do, I can go metal detecting, magnet fishing, I've got my drone, I've got my cameras, I've got you lot, Sue, I've got my dogs. George has had a puppy, by the way. She had 2, but one sadly passed away. So she's got 1. So yeah, so Sue's called him Zeus, I think she said. So she's been nursing Zeus, and what a good job she's done. It's a shame though, because she kept looking round for the other one, but she obviously wasn't there. But anyway, so we're not going to part with Zeus, it's going to be ours. So we've now got 3 chihuahuas, so that'll be fun on holiday. I have just, as I say, washed the van. The bits of a TikTok that I've made, I'll show it to you, so you'll see. I'll put it on now. Oh, best time to wash your van, in the rain. There's the water that I used to wash it off with. What a day. Absolutely soaked. I'm having a brew. There's my brew. And we need some more water to wash the van off with. How do you get that? There you are, more water. I hear you, kettle. That's the best sound I've heard. Oh. So there you go. That's the best time to wash your van, in the rain. Oh God. You only need to wash off the parts the rain can't reach, as the saying goes. I'm soaked now, but anyway, the van was worth it. See you soon. Now you know how to wash your van in the rain. So that was me making a little, I just have fun on TikTok, a bit of fun on TikTok, and that was me making a TikTok video but me washing the van at the side of the road. But it's the best time to do it, but I'm actually collecting rainwater to then wash it off again, because my van's got, obviously they have gutters, don't they? Where it's coming out at the front, I've got a mop bucket there collecting the water, so anywhere the rain isn't washing off, I can wash it off. So in the rain is ideal to wash your van, so that's what I've done. Anyway, so you're going to have to get ready for Smithy and Susie's exploits, because they're going to come thick and fast soon. we're now obviously free to go and do what we were going to do in the first place, which is get out and about and tour the country. So that's what we're going to be doing. So I just thought I'd let you know. I'd let you know why I haven't been on camera, and I've had a break for a bit. I needed the break, and I didn't want it to keep coming across that I was upset or sad or whatever. You know, I don't want to be that type of guy. I always want it to be happy-go-lucky. If I have a bad day, I have a bad day, and everybody else knows about it. Don't kid yourself. We all have bad. You can't have a good day if you're not having a bad day. Otherwise, just every day is the same. So if you have a bad day, the next day can be a good one, and that's how life is. So anyway, I've missed you all. So I hope we've even gained some more subscribers, even though I haven't made a video for a couple of months now. I don't think. It's just one of them things you have to go through in life. You know, we all go through it. My mum lost her parents and her aunties and uncles and everything else, so it's my turn. That's how it is. Susie's turn. So anyway, I'll love you and leave you, and obviously you're going to be following our exploits. Now I can get this van sorted out, and he's probably overweight at the minute, to be fair. I hope I don't get pulled up and weighed. But anyway, so I need that 12-volt socket sorting out, because Susie won't go anywhere without a TV. I could have done with one of these free giveaways that this, what do we call them things with 12 volts in that company keep giving it. They don't give me one. Anyway, such is life. So yeah, I get the 12-volt telly sorted out. Carl, I need my telly sorting out, and then we can be away. And we'll be doing some bushcraft. I'll try and teach Sue some outdoor cooking survival skills. You never know. She might tell me to get knotted, but we'll give it a go. But yeah, so hey, Smithys Back. It's a horrendous day. Although I'm going to take my jacket off in a minute because I'm red hot in here. So I'm still a security guard. I've been working in Kendal all the time. I was working at a local hospital. That was fun. And so I'm on a site in Kendal, but I have asked them to change it now, because I bought this new car and it's an automatic. It's costing an arm and a leg to get to Kendal. So they're hopefully going to try and get me a site nearby. I've been looking at the stuff in my van. I look like you know, an axe murderer or whatever. My grandson Callum bought me that, believe it or not, when I was doing my bushcrafting. And I've never had I think I've used it once, and but I've kept it all that time. So this is what my van's full of, all sorts of stuff. Good. But anyway, so yeah, we'll be going out and about, and we'll be seeing some sights, and we'll be introducing you to the outdoor life again. It's been a long time coming on it. We've had a break, we've had a good break, and I needed it. Anyway, Smithys Back. I was trying to think of a film quote. Oh, it's Arnold Schwarzenegger, isn't it? I'll be back. Well, no, I am back. So anyway, I'll see you soon. I'll upload this. I'll mess about editing it. I haven't done that for a while. I hope my editing softwares. I'll probably have to update everything. Please update this and that and everything else. So yeah, so I'll do that. Right, I'm Smithy. Be lucky. Do you know what? I can't even remember my own saying now. Let's get it right. Stay safe. Be lucky. And Smithy and his Kentucky. I'll see you again. See, I never forgot. I nearly did. Told me my brain hadn't been with it. Anyway, I'll see you soon. And hey, because of the gas leak, we're actually cooking on. Yeah, I've got a little portable gas heater, so I'll get the 12-volt sorted. Go and get the gas sorted out, and then we can get cooking. We can get cooking with gas. Right, see you soon.